Let us see application of GIS. Major areas of GIS application can be grouped into 5 categories as follows. 1. Facility management. We can create large-scale precise maps and network analysis which are used for utility managements like electricity, telecom and cooking gas. These maps can be used to monitor inventory system, track maintenance, transformer analysis and load analysis. Second is environment and natural resource management. Environmental impact analysis, that is EIA, is an important policy initiative to conserve natural resources and environment. Many human activities produce potential adverse environmental effects which include the construction and operation of highways, railroads, pipeline, airports, radioactive waste disposal and more. Environmental impact statements are usually required to contain specific information on the magnitude and characteristics of environmental impact. Third is street network. GIS can be used in managing transportation, logistical problems. To minimize accident hazards on roads, the existing road network has to be optimized and also the road safety measures have to be improved. Fourth is planning and engineering. GIS is used to analyze the urban growth and its direction of expansion and to find suitable sites for further urban developments. In order to identify the sites suitable for the urban growth, certain factors have to be considered, which is land should have proper accessibility, land should be more or less flat, land should be vacant or having low uses value presently, and it should have good supply of water. Fifth is land information system. GIS-based land acquisition management system will provide complete information about the land. Land acquisition management is being used for the past 3 or 4 years only. It would help in assessment payments for private land with owner details, tracking of land allotment, and possessions indication and timely resolution of land acquisition related issues. There are various applications of GIS such as agriculture, archaeology, architecture, business, electric or gas utilities, forestry, hydrology, land use planning, mapping, risk management, transportation, water, wastewater industry, environmental science, engineering, military science, natural resource, geology, law enforcement, public health, history, sociology, urban or regional planning. Let us see some example of GIS application. Logistics. Logistics is a field that takes care of transporting goods from one place to another and finally delivering them to their destinations. It is necessary for the shipping companies to know where their warehouses should be located. Which routes should the transport follow that ensures minimum time and expenditure to deliver the parcels to their destination. All such logistic decisions need GIS support. Next is business. Approximately 80% of all business data are related to location. With GIS relevant data such as number of consumers, brand and sites they go for shopping can give any business unit an idea whether their unit, if setup, is going to work at a particular location the way they want it to run. Next is emergency evacuation. The occurrence of disaster is unpredictable. We as humans are unable to tell when, where and what magnitude of disaster is going to emerge and therefore solely depend on disaster preparedness as safety measures. It is important to know in which area the risk is higher, the number of individuals inhabiting that place, the routes by which the vehicles would move to help in evacuating the individuals. Thus, preparing an evacuation plan needs GIS implementation. Fourth one is environment. GIS is being increasingly involved in mapping the habitat loss, urban sprawl, land use changes, etc. GIS models are then run to make predictions for the future. Now we will see uses of GIS. GIS is a tool for individuals, organizations, schools, government and businesses to use new methods solving the problems. Today, GIS is a billions of dollar industry with the participation of hundreds of thousands of people around the world. GIS is taught in schools, universities around the world. Experts from all fields are aware of the advantages of the combination of their work and GIS. GIS is closely related to some other information systems, that is computer-aided design (CAD), remote sensing (RAS), database system management, that is DBMS, and global positioning system, that is GPS. The GIS software being used today belong to either of the category. It could be proprietary or open source. ArcGIS by Esri is the widely used proprietary GIS software. Others in the same category are MapInfo, MicroStation, GeoMedia, etc.